Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve the SSLC English question paper 2021. You all know that there were all multiple choice questions this time. Now I am going to solve all the questions one by one. Now let us look at the first question. The first question is on parts of speech. Now let us read the sentence and let us try to understand and answer the first question. The question is, the child laughed loudly. There is a sentence. The child laughed loudly. The part of speech of the underlined word is, there are four options. Option A, adverb. Option B, pronoun. Option C, adjective. Option D, preposition. The task is very simple. There is a sentence, and in a sentence there is one word which is underlined. What is the sentence? The child laughed loudly. And which word is underlined? Loudly. Now our task is to choose the part of speech of this particular word. What is the part of speech of this particular word? You all know what parts of speech are. The parts of speech are the words that we use in our communication, that in our speech. Whenever we write something, whenever we speak something, we use some words. And the words that we use in our communication, in our speech, in our writing are parts of speech. They are noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction and interjection. Now let us look at this particular question and try to get the answer. Now what is the correct answer? Option A, adverb. Option B, pronoun. Option C, adjective. And option D, preposition. And the correct answer is adverb. What is adverb? Adverb is a word which describes the action. So in this sentence, there is one word which is describing the action, how the action was taking place, how the action took place. What is the action? Laughed. ಮಗು ಹೇಗೆ ನಕ್ಕಿತು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಪದ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. That is laugh, loudly. The word loudly is describing how the child laughed. ಈ ಪದ ನಮಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಹೇಗೆ ನಡೆಯಿತು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. That is why the correct answer is adverb. Right? ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಅವರೇನಾದರೂ ಲೌಡ್ಲಿ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಪದ ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡದೆ ಅವರೇನಾದರೂ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪದನ ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು? ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಅನದರ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ read the question. Now let us read the sentence and try to choose the correct part of speech of the underlined word. Now what is the sentence? The child laughed loudly. The same sentence, but the underlined word is different. Now which word is underlined? Laughed. Laughed is the word which is underlined. Now what is our task? Our task is to choose the correct part of speech of the underlined word. Part of speech of the underlined word is adverb, pronoun, verb, preposition. So what is the correct answer? Answer is verb, because this underlined word is talking about the action. This is a word which talks about action. ಕೆಲಸ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅವಳು ನಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳ, ಆ ಮಗು ನಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ, ಅಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ, ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ this particular word talks. So that is how we have to answer the questions which are related to parts of speech. Right? Now ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ರೈಟ್? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, there are different options here. The sentence, same sentence, but the underlined word is different. Now let us read the sentence again. The child laughed loudly. The same sentence, but the underlined word is different. Now I have underlined the word child. Child ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಪದನ ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Now the same task, we have to choose the correct part of speech of the underlined word. There are 4 options. Option A, noun. Option B, pronoun. Option C, verb. Option D, preposition. So what is the correct answer? The correct answer is noun. The child is noun. Now we all know that noun is a name of person, place, thing or animal. ನೌನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯ ಹೆಸರಾಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಒಂದು ಸ್ಥಳದ ಹೆಸರಾಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತುವಿನ ಹೆಸರಾಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಣಿಯ ಹೆಸರಾಗಿರಬೇಕು. Only then we can say that is noun. Noun is a name of person, place, animal or a thing. But child ಅನ್ನೋದು, so child is also a noun. ಹೇಗೆ? So child is, there are many types in nouns. Common noun, proper noun. Basically these two things, common noun and proper noun. Proper noun is the noun, the name which we have given to particular person or a thing. Manoj is proper noun. Boy, common noun. We call boy to refer many boys. He is a boy. But Manoj, ನಾವು ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ದಿಸ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಬಾಯ್ ಮನೋಜ್ ಅಂತ ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಕಾಮನ್ ನೋನ್, ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ನೋನ್. ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ನೋನ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ನಿರ್ದಿಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತ ಹೆಸರು, ರೈಟ್? ಕಾಮನ್ ನೋನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಬಾಯ್ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತ ಹುಡುಗನಿಗೂ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಆ ಪಕ್ಕದ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತ ಹುಡುಗನಿಗೂ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪಾಠ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂತ ಹುಡುಗನಿಗೂ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಬಾಯ್ ಅಂತ, ರೈಟ್? ಅದೇ ತರ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಕೂಡ ಹಾಗೆ. ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ noun, but it is common noun. It is commonly used for all the kids, right? So child ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಕೂಡ noun. What is the correct answer then? Noun is the correct answer, right? So this is how you have to answer the questions related to parts of speech. Now let's move on to the next question. Okay, the second question is on articles. Now let us look at the task and try to answer it. The task is very simple. There is a sentence which is incomplete. We have to complete the sentence by filling the blanks. And what is to be filled in the blanks? Articles. See, now let us read the sentence and try to answer it by choosing the appropriate articles. The sentence is, Sudhir is dash MP and his wife is dash homemaker. This is the sentence which is incomplete. And what we have to do? We have to choose the appropriate articles to be used here. So there are 4 sets. There are 4 options. The first set has the and an. In B option we have 2 articles, a, the. In option C we have an and a. In option D we have the and a. So we have to choose the appropriate set of articles and fill the sentence. So before answering this question, let us have brief knowledge about articles. There are 3 articles in our English. They are a, an and the. A, an are indefinite articles and the is definite articles. Now in this video, let us not stress on the definite article. We will stress on indefinite articles because this question is closely related to indefinite articles. See, in our English alphabet there are 26 letters and those 26 letters are divided into vowels and consonants. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels, and the consonants are the remaining letters B, C, D, F, G, like this goes on, right? And we have to know the applications of articles. See, we use an before the word which begins with vowel letter. Now there are many words: application, electronic bike, ink pad, orange plant, umbrella. So these are the words which begin with vowel letters. So here we use an before these words. whatever word which begins with vowel letter, we use an. For example, it is an application. She has an electronic bike. I need an ink pad. She has an orange plant in her garden. She always carries an umbrella. See, like this we have to use and before the words which begin with vowel letters, right? So when you come to consonants, the words like ball, cat, door, fish, like this. If you use the words which begin with consonants, we use a. So that is the main thing we have to keep in our mind. So whenever there is a word which is beginning with vowel letter, we use an, and whenever there is a word beginning with consonant, we use a. That is the difference between a and an, right? But there are some cases where we have to use an even before the consonant letters. The consonant letters, I'll tell you. See, now I'll give a sentence. My sister runs dash MNC. My sister runs MNC. Now we have to use an appropriate article here in order to fill this blank. My sister runs. I told you that we have to use an only before the words which begin with vowels, right? But this M is not vowel. This is consonant. This is not vowel letter. This is consonant. But though it is consonant, we pronounce the pronunciation. Whenever we pronounce M and C, it is not ma, it is M. So the M, it is producing vowel sound. Though it is consonant letter, it is producing vowel sound. In that case, we use an. My sister runs an MNC, right? My brother works in MNC, multinational company. If it is multinational company, see, here the answer is different. My sister runs a multinational company, because it is consonant and it is not producing vowel sound, right? So that is why it is a. So that is how we have to understand and answer the questions related to articles. Now look at this task. Now let us look at our task. Our task is very simple. There is a sentence which is incomplete. We have to fill the sentence by choosing the appropriate articles. Sudhir is, as I have told you right now, right? So here we have to use an article. Now which article to be used here? A. Though it is consonant letter, it is producing vowel sound, right? What is the sound that produced here, that is being produced here? Sudhir is MP, right? M. So it is producing vowel sound. So we have to use an. Sudhir is an MP and his wife is homemaker. H is consonant letter and it is not producing vowel. It is not producing vowel sound. So it is A. So the correct answer is option C. Sudhir is an MP and his wife is a homemaker. So that is how you have to answer the questions related to articles. Yes.
ಏನು ಸರ್ ಸಮಾಚಾರ?